Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? We are live. Day three, baby. Day three of the vlog. Thanks for tuning in. You guys are watching the Extreme Life with Darius. It's gonna be a lot of fun today. We came out here to go to a Cars and Coffee event, which is a giant car meet, and nobody showed up. Next weekend, just to make up for it, we're gonna drive about an hour and a half and go down to call themselves the largest weekly car meet in the whole world. And I've been there one time and it was pretty cool. I'll show you guys some clips right here.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? If you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you.
I've been there twice, but I recorded one time, I filmed one time, and it was a lot of fun. I mean, it was a good turnout. But guys, isn't that crazy? There was no show today. Wow. So like, we literally drove an hour and 20 minutes out here. But it's whatever though. Because next week we're gonna go to the largest weekly. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. And look at the kind of cars they got. GTRs, McLarens, Lamborghinis. Supra. Hope you guys can see this. It's really bright out here. It's crazy bright out here. But yeah, so I've been there twice before. I filmed one time, I never uploaded it, but here's a few clips. Hope you guys enjoy it. But so yeah, if y'all want to see that next week, you guys gotta stay tuned, man. This is day 3 of the vlog. We're doing a 30-day challenge, so let's get to it. So we're out here in Huntington Beach, California, and I'm a little bit familiar with this place. I lived here in my car for about 2 weeks. I went out to, I was surfing back then, and I lost my car key in the sand, and I never found it. I did not have the money for a locksmith or anything for about 2 weeks, and that's what I ended up having to do. So I made myself comfortable out here, and I got familiar with the area. I surfed a lot for those 2 weeks. I surfed the most I've ever surfed at any other beach, at Huntington Beach. I put in a lot of time out here. The time that I was here, I would literally just like get in and out of the water from morning to nighttime every single day for 2 weeks straight.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.
So we'll see how we measure up when I get a new surfboard. The one that I had, I actually dented it into the rocks the first day I had the board. And if you guys don't know, surfboards are fiberglass. So, you know, you start to get water inside the board and all that, and it just doesn't float as it should. And it will hold you back. But I was still using it. And, I was still using it and making do with it. I mean, the board works somewhat, but I just want to see how I am on a regular surfboard. All right, guys, I see some bikes over here. Some SE bikes. In the future, we're gonna get one of these, definitely. I'm trying to do wheelies down the boardwalk at Venice Beach on an SE bike. But just waiting for the right time to get it. Oh snap! Can you wheelie? I'm trying to get some. Tell your boys to wheelie for me. Oh, let's see the work. 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 Woo. Yeah, the Big Ripper. Yeah. Oh, I like that color. That shit fire, bro. Oh, trying to get me one. Huh? That C-bike, right? They're like 500? Like what? Like 1,000 maybe? Bro. got more SC bikes. Alright guys, so the man said it himself. He said an SC bike is at least $1,000. You need at least $1,000 to get an SC bike. So I guess that's what we're gonna have to save up for and work hard for on this YouTube channel.
I do a
YouTube channel?
TikTok.
See, man, I'm trying to get like you, business card professional.
That's really cheap. That's $10 bucks.
Yeah.
You need the picture, your information.
Cool.
Yeah, it's right. Really cool. I'm in Colombia.
Getting a little warmer here.
You're from Colombia, you?
Yeah, I'm from Colombia.
Yeah. Follow, check out Osman. I love his soccer moves, man. He's an awesome guy, cool guy. From Brazil and Colombia.
Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Darius.
Darius.
Yeah.
Okay, see you around, man.
Extreme Life with Darius is my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I make videos. Guys, that was a really cool experience. I grew up playing soccer. I started playing soccer when I was 4 years old. So it's something that I really had a passion for. But motorcycles pretty much took over that. But it's something I still got a love for. Soccer is one of my favorite sports. So that is a fun fact in case I pop up this question again for you guys. But here we are in Huntington Beach. This place has a significance to me because I lived here for 2 weeks in my car, which is the weirdest thing ever, like, you know? But then I always believed that everything happens for a reason. And I wasn't tripping about it. I was in good spirits the whole time. And so then on the last day, I ran into somebody. And his name is Jason Britton. and we talked, and then maybe close to a year later, I got my bike and we started riding.
Yeah. Mic check of the gods, nigga. Mic check of the gods. Yeah. The shining represents the light that's in the darkness. A diamond. Y'all niggas ain't ready when I drop this. The timing remarkable and in alignment. Anything is possible, I promise. Yo, I admitted I was gone for a little minute. It's like I lost my glow, yo. My inner light was dimming. Now I got my mojo back. Yo, don't know how to act. I'm about to black out. I never back out.
I started going to the lot that they practiced at. But had I not lost my key, I would have never ran into him. So, there's something about Huntington Beach. I always get a good vibe when I come here. The people are so nice, man. The weather is beautiful. You guys see the vibes. I don't even have to really say anything. But this is Huntington Beach, California. Yeah, I got a lot of memories here. I filmed that video, 30 Cent Miracle. That video is gonna get a lot of views one day. I mean, it's sort of like burying the seed in the ground. You don't get the fruit right away. That's how I think about it. You know what I mean? It's a gestation period where things have to grow in the unseen before they actually manifest into physical reality. And for instance, that would be your fruit, the fruit that you are wanting. You know, that's not gonna happen. Whoa. Oh. What the heck was that? Did you guys see that? Yo, Huntington Beach is a different vibe. That guy was racing. He had a race jersey and a motocross helmet on a scooter. Balling.